If you want to customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25, then in that case we need to go to settings. In settings, go to wallpaper and style, and then over here you will find your lock screen. So tap on it, and here we can customize the lock screen. For example, we can choose a different clock. We can customize it by choosing a different font. We can adjust the boldness or thickness of the font. We can choose a different color as well. We can also go to style in order to choose a completely different clock. We can of course reposition the clock as well. And once you are done, and of course we can enable and disable the weather information and move the date above the clock. Once you are done with this, then you can also go to widgets, because you can add multiple different widgets. We have 4 slots in total in terms of width. And we can add them over here in order to have them in the lock screen as well. And here at the bottom we have shortcuts. They can also be customized, so we can tap on them in order to assign a different action for a specific shortcut. So for example, you can have the power saving mode or airplane mode and so on and so forth, and this works for both buttons. You can tap on wallpapers in order to choose a different wallpaper for the lock screen. And you can also go to variations in this example in order to switch a different color. And once you are done with the customization, you can press done over here in the top right corner. Sometimes when we have a kind of different wallpaper, most likely not the default one, so let's say we're gonna choose this one over here, or maybe not, this one here, then in that case we can also find gallery options or effect, where we can choose to blur, use the blurred background, use a grayscale, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Once you are done with the wallpaper, we can press apply in the top right corner. And then done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!